What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video about Hook. The Hook token again, which has had a massive crash. We'll talk about that, we'll talk about what happened. And we'll also talk about what's going to happen from here. In my opinion, this crash was 100% unpredicted. I did not expect us to drop this much. I don't think I could have predicted it, but maybe I should have. But to me it looks very manipulated. It's yesterday what I said is that I thought we could actually reach like 3.25 was my price target. In the end we reached 3.1. So I was wrong about that, but man, this crash, it just, when I saw it this morning, I saw that Hook protocol that the volume was up a lot, which you can see right here. Volume is up a lot and it's down about 20%, so this crash looks more massive than that, I think. But the thing is that to me it just looks shady. I mean, the volume, in all honesty, it doesn't look that manipulated. But altogether, we just dropped down massively in a very short amount of time, which leads me to believe that there are some bigger holders actually dumping the coin. What you could always check. Oh, we cannot check that out. We cannot check out the contract address. Do we not have that somewhere? Because usually what you can do is you can just check out the contract address and see what is see what's going on with the token and also the holders. But right now, I mean, we cannot check that out. All right, that's a bummer. But yeah, it looks manipulated. We immediately dropped back down under our major support level at $2.5. Took a break retest and now we're dropping. And to be honest, I think we're even going to drop down more. As you can see, what I expect from here is that sure, there's this support level at 2.25, but it doesn't look like we're respecting that very much. We wicked below that already twice. So what I expect is that we'll continue dropping down. And then the question is can we actually hold 2.15 and 2.1? To which my answer is yes. Initially, we will be able to do that. But then whether we can actually stay, like what you could argue is that before this we actually consolidated between 2.5 and 2.15, which is the level where we're dropping back down to. Whether we can actually get back into that consolidation, so whether we can get back to 2.5, for that we would need some confirmation. All right, so I think we'll drop down. I think we'll hold 2.1 and 2.15, but whether we can actually get back up to 2.5 depends on one thing, and that is whether from 2.1 and 2.15 we can actually break above 2.25 again. If we can do that once, then I expect us to get back up to 2.5, 2.55, and to kind of get back into this, like I guess you could say, like this consolidation area. I think that's possible. But it's hard to say, all right? After a crash like this, it's always hard to analyze. But to me, something like this looks like the most likely scenario at this point of time. So that we will drop down to 2.15, 2.1, find support there, break above 2.25 and get back up to 2.5 again. This might take a little bit longer than you might expect from these lines though. But that is crypto for you. And the thing is, what I'm a little bit scared of for Hook right now is that this will just turn into a snowball effect and that we will keep dropping down. And that's also the main reason why I said we need that confirmation. Because if we do, like, if we're not able from 2.1 and 2.15 to break above 2.25, which I do not expect, but I feel like I have to talk about it. If we're not able to do that, that means that there's not enough strength in Hook. And then the chances significantly increase that we'll drop down to $2. And if we drop down to $2, basically the floodgates are open, and we can even drop down to 1.75 afterwards. All right, so that would be pretty disastrous. This could still happen over the next months, but initially and on the short term, I still think that something like this is more likely. I just wanted to tell you about that scenario and kind of explore that a little bit further. But yeah, so that's the crash update on Hook. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.